And mount, we already see that whenever you want to mount any kind of data from the one drive to another drive, you can use the mount command. It's like, for example, if you insert any kind of the pen drive, or if you are using NFS or NFS kind of thing. NFS is the one software. It's like you can make some kind of file systems to mount in the other machines. For example, you have the bigger file system on one machine, and a server you created, and you attached 1 dB or 2 dB of storage to that, and you want to mount the entire file system to all the web servers. It's in a different folder, so that whenever the people are adding some kind of files into that folder, it will automatically store into your the SAN storage wherever you attach to the disk. That is called NFS concept, totally server level concept. So at the time you want to mount that file system to different servers. So what you need to do, once you created NFS server, and you created a simple configuration is available in NFS, and what you need is you need to come to the web servers wherever you want to mount and use the mount command. So provide that entire IP address and colon, and wherever the file system path is there. So for example, that is created under /etc and some test folder. So that is the shared of the file system, and that entire file system you want to mount into your local file system. This is your web server, treat it as a web server, and you want to mount that into your local file system. So MNT is already there, or other than MNT you want to mount in a different folder, just create the folder name and provide in this way. So once you press enter, then automatically the entire file system will be mounted here, and you can see that entire size also. So here, the same way, how much sizes is there for that SAN storage, the entire size you can see here using df-h command. So in the same way, you can see that in the next line, the entire file system will be mounted in a local file system. So that is the way you can mount. Once you mounted, you can directly go to the directory and copy some of the files, or delete some of the files as per your administration requirement. And once you are done, you don't want to view that information here. So what you can do, just use umount command. So you are doing unmounting, and provide that the file system mount point, whatever it is showing in the right hand side. So mounted on, you can see that information mounted on this file system. You just need to provide the entire path. Just to once press enter, then automatically the entire file system would be unmounted, but still the data is available wherever you stored that. So that is the way mount and unmount is going to use here. And the next thing is the df-h, display all mounted file system and available disk space in KBs and MBs or GBs. So df-h we just used here. So you can see that the file system says, forget about this none and all those things, it may display as per the operating system. So we need to concentrate. Currently we have created only one partition for this operating system. So that is having 8 GB. It may take some of the GBs for the internal purpose, and size is showing 7.8. Out of 7.8 size, it used 805 MB and 6.6 GB is available. So it is calculating as 11% usage with the slash partition. Slash is the main partition. Under slash only you can see each and every file system. So this is the way you can identify the exact size of usage of the file system using df-h command. So sometimes it may require, because the file system may increase, like usability, if you are creating some more files and some log files are creating each and every day on this machine, then automatically the file system will grow and usage will move to the 90%, sometimes 100% as well. So if you are already configured your monitoring system to monitor all these file systems and everything, then automatically you can get the alert like the slash partition on the specific machine is already utilized 90% kind of thing, and as per your threshold on the monitoring system, we will learn all those things on the Nagios monitoring system. And you need to immediately to verify the machine, what file system is exactly utilizing on this machine, and clear out some of the files if it is not required, so that you can get some more space. Or if you don't want to delete any kind of files under the file system, you may need to ask your senior. You can increase the file system to add one more disk to this machine, or you can move some of the files from one machine to another machine. There are a couple of options, depends upon the requirement. You can troubleshoot here, so that your file system usage will be reduced and you can clear the alert from your monitoring system. That is the way you can verify. So for example, on the slash you can see this 11% usage is there. Out of 11%, there are so many files and folders available under slash. and you want to know what files and folders are available and how much space it is utilizing. So we have a simple command called du-sh slash, so provide the star. If we are not providing star, it is again displaying the entire size of this file. Only 8.5 MB it is utilizing, like whatever size it is utilizing, it will show in this way. It may show in a different way here, some little bit of difference here, so it doesn't matter. If you want to see the entire file systems, whatever files and folders are there with the total size, just provide star. See, all the files, whatever is available in this the location, the current slash location, it will show each and every file and folder size. So example, slash root is utilizing only the 52K. The slash prop, so by default always it is showing the 0 bytes, and the slash var is having the 171 MB. And the slash var also you have so many files and folders. So out of this, sometimes you may see the slash var is utilizing so much of space in the GBs. So because all the logs are creating in the slash var, if you are not deleting all the logs in simultaneously, like the weekly based or a monthly basis kind of thing, this file system will grow, and the entire file system usage will become 90% or 100%. At the time you can see the GBs instead of M, here you can see G, the G in the sense that it is utilizing GBs. So now you want to see under slash var what exactly utilizing more. So what you need to do is instead of slash, so provide var and star. So now it will show the entire files under slash var only. So now we can identify what exactly is utilizing out of this. So we can see that out of all these files, I can say slash var is utilizing 976 KB. So again, you just need to go the one by one. Oh, sorry, I lost connection. Sorry guys, I lost the connection. Let me reconnect. Start the session. So are you guys able to hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. So in the same way, again, you want to get the latest information under var log. Under var log, there are a couple of files and folders available. So just need to provide the file system, the path of the file system. So where you want to get the information with the star, the entire files and folders using what exactly it is utilizing, which files it is utilizing more space. You can get the information in this way. So this is a very useful command in the day-to-day administration. You are going to use the df-h and du-sh. So most of the times, if you are seeing any kind of disk alert and you want to get any information regarding the what file system is utilizing more here. And the next thing would be du already used. And the next thing would be the ps-ef, list all running process with full details. And there are a couple of processes running in this machine. For each and every machine will run a couple of processes. You want to list out all the process, whatever is available in this machine, whatever is currently running. So ps-ef is the useful command. You are going to get entire the process information. So first line is going to show you what exactly the user, from which user the specific process is running. Second is the process ID. Each and every process will have one process ID, and the same way each and every process will have one parent process ID. Some parent process will have multiple sub process, so that is the reason one PID and as well as PPID will show you. And next, start time, and these are the things all required. The when it is started and how long it is running this process, and what exactly command you ran for this to start this process. So in this way you can identify the entire information out of this the command ps-ef. And if you want to kill any kind of process, what you need to do is we have kill command, kill-9, and provide this the process ID, so that the process will be killed. Sometimes it is required to kill the forcefully. So instead of even if you stop the process using some the commands, that is not going to stop due to some issues on the process, whatever it is running. So at the time you need to kill that process manually. So you can use the kill command. So kill-9 and take the process ID from this out of this entire output. And so grep is also going to be useful here. So for example, if you provide ps-ef and you want to search for only the specific process name only. So because this is displaying entire the process information, you don't want to display the entire information here. Only the specific the process you are looking here. For example, SSH process you want to display. Just grep SSH. So now you can see only the SSH